So we've talked a lot about natural minor, of course, but today I want to talk about furthering our minor knowledge. So we have natural minor, and today we're going to talk about a different kind of minor called harmonic minor. Harmonic minor. Okay, so let's go ahead and divide this in half so we have a really clear playing field here. Okay, so if you remember from major, we saw we could do notation with major as 1, 2, 3 because it's the normal thing. I'll go ahead and label this as major. Major here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then maybe back to 1 with the carets on top. And this means that follow the major scale, it's all of these notes. Now, if you wanted to make the parallel minor, if you want to take major and turn it into a minor, all you have to do is flat your third. Let me go ahead and do this. Flat your third, flat your sixth, and flat your seventh. So if, for example, C major is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. To make C minor, all you have to do is write a flat on E, a flat on A, and a flat on B, just like that. One more example, if you are in the key of, let's say, G major. G major is good, actually. G, A, B, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. We take our G, go down a half step. That gets us F sharp. We have to count from here with the order of sharps to this note. That gives us fat, and we stop, and we throw a sharp there. So we simply have G major with the F sharp. That's how we make the that's how we make the G major scale. Now, if you wanted to make this minor, again, we have to flat the third, the sixth, and the seventh. So our third is this B, so we throw a flat on B. We throw a flat on the sixth, which is E, and we throw a flat on the F sharp. Now, a sharp plus a flat equals a natural. So we actually have F natural, and usually what I like to do is I like to throw a natural sign there that says I know, with parentheses and everything, which means I know this is supposed to be sharp in the normal key of G major. It's supposed to be sharp, but because it's natural minor, because we're lowering our seventh, I'm showing my work to show this is a natural. You don't have to do that. If you feel way more comfortable just ignoring that and doing just this and not chopping off your F in the process, then go ahead and do that. That's absolutely fine. This is totally okay for a G natural minor scale. Now, how do you make harmonic minor? Two different approaches. I will show you the major approach, and I will show you the minor approach. The major approach is simply this. Major approach. You take 1, 2, flat 3 again, 4, 5, flat 6, normal 7, and 1. That's how you make harmonic minor from major. Major going to harmonic minor looks like this. Maybe this is a little deceiving. Okay, so major, you take your harmonic minor and you do that. Now, if you want to take a minor scale, all you have to do is this rule. Let me see if I can just write this out. Natural minor, nat minor, and sharp or raise, maybe raise the seventh. I hope this makes sense. Or raise the seventh and then raise the 7, right? Like that. Okay. I hope that makes sense. What that means is simply, if you were to do the major approach, let's go ahead and come over here. If you were to do the major approach, let me go with this green color. That would mean you take C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and then you flat the third. So we got E flat. We flat the sixth. And we're done. This is how you make harmonic minor from a major scale. Just flat your third, flat your sixth, and you are finished. Okay. Now, if you want to do it from the natural minor, if you remember from back over here, we had C natural minor had E flat, A flat, and B flat. So we can go ahead and write that. C, D, E flat, F, G, A, flat, B flat, and C. And all we have to do now is raise the 7th. If we're taking this approach, all we have to do is raise the 7th, which means we can add a sharp to this one, which of course cancels each other out, and we're left with B natural. Again, you could show your work by doing this. Okay? Now, if you look at these two scales, they are identical. One is made with the minor approach, one is made with the major approach, but they are identical. They both have E flat and A flat. They both start on C. They have nothing else. And that's how you can make harmonic minor. I encourage you to play this scale and see what it sounds like.